How to fix can't use mobile hotspot while data saver is on in Samsung. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So data saver will block block you or your device from sharing mobile hotspot because it is the main task of data saver to save the data uses. So if you share it via mobile hotspot, it will be not doing its job. But if you want to turn on mobile hotspot, what you will have to do is simply turn off data saver mode. So simply go to your connections, and then from over there you will be able to find data saving mode. Simply tap on it and then turn it off. And now you will be able to turn on hotspot and share your internet with others. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next